We're literally in the depths of the sweatiest summer. Oh, this is so cute. And I'm just lay in the bath like a princess. It's so freaking cute, man. So yeah, my birthday on Monday, 31. Hi guys, so for today's video I'm going to be doing a little unboxing which I'm very excited about. It's my birthday on Monday and my lovely friend Molly, who I talk to, we talk about Lush and everything, she's just fantastic, has sent me a little prezzy through the post for my birthday. So I figured we'd open it together. We do this a lot. We buy each other like birthday presents and Christmas presents and stuff, which I don't know, I think we're cute, we're very cute. So she sent me something through the post. She sent me the little tracking thing, so I saw that it was delivered. I didn't know what it was, so I opened the box. I now know what it is. It's a lovely little gift set, so I figured, I haven't opened the gift set yet, so I figured we could open it together because it's a very cool one. I've been wanting this for a while and she knew this. She always listens to what I say, which is really cute. I think I mentioned this months ago and she remembered and got it me, so she's very cute. So she's a little angel. She ordered me some bags. She knows I like my bags. And then she did me a little birthday note as well, which is really sweet. I don't think she'll mind me saying it. No, she wouldn't. She went, "Happy birthday, Charlie. Hope you enjoy this. Enjoy your day." So I love Molly. She's cute. So she got me the spa gift set. So this one came out, I think it was a couple of months ago, and the box of it, when I open it, it's just absolutely gorgeous. It's definitely a keeper box. It'll be really good for storage. So yeah, we're gonna show this. I'll probably do a birthday haul. I might do a birthday haul as well. Like my partner, we both have an establishment. I buy him presents that I know he would want, but I don't know, he would rather me just get what I like. So he's given me a budget. A very good budget, which I'm very happy about. So I've just picked my own presents, which honestly I much prefer. So I've got presents from him coming, and then I don't know, other people tend to give me cash, which I don't mind either. So I'll probably just, what am I doing? Sorry, so I'll probably just buy myself some goods and share that with a little birthday haul, so that'll be fun. I've got the pumpkin out. We're literally in the depths of the sweatiest summer, and here I am with my pumpkin mug. It's Halloween in my head. Right, let's open her up. I love the Lush gift sets. They're just like such a special little thing to get, I think. They've got some really cool ones as well. So it opens on the top. Oh, this is so cute. That smells amazing. So this says, slow down to speed up. What is this? Piece of paper. I'm assuming this is to do with something in the box. I'm not too sure. Piece of paper. Okay, that's fine. I'll pop that back in there. I'm sure we've got to do something with that later. Oh, we probably have to write like an affirmation or something for our bath bomb, maybe. That'd be fun. Oh, I can't get back in now. Come on, lovely. Go back in the little slot. How the hell does that go in there? I can't get it back in. It's going to have to stay out for now. You guys, honestly, it's absolutely sweltering, and I have to close my videos when I film because it's currently like 8 o'clock now and I don't want to be keeping my neighbours up with my like so I'm actually sweltering. Burning up even. Right, so we've got this that says slow down to speed up, and it had a piece of paper in, so then it should, hang on, fold out. Oh, this is amazing. So it's like a little, sorry, I'm trying to see what I'm doing behind me. Too freaking cute, man. So there's 4 products in here, so let's just dig in, shall we? First thing, I love this. I have tried one before and it's just delish. It is a Dreamtime Temple Balm. This is, I believe it's sleepy scented. The front of it says, oh god, what the hell does that say? Soporifically scented balm with lavender and chamomile for a deep and restful sleep, or it might be deep sleep scented actually. But let's open this up and have a little look. These last such a long time, and I've already used one up completely. I absolutely love this. So it's just a little, one of the little push pop type ones. Oh This scent in this specific product is like, it's really nostalgic to me. I can't think why. Oh, is it therapy? This reminds me of therapy. Is this therapy? I feel like I said this in the haul that I originally did when I bought this. I sniffed it and I was like, oh, I think that's therapy. I'm gonna have to find out. I don't think it is therapy, but it's reminding me of therapy. Delicious though. Oh, I can't wait to use that. I love a temple balm. They're very relaxing. I literally put one on before bed, hence the name, and it just chills me out. I don't know, the scent of like lavender and chamomile and those calming nighttime scents just really chill me out. I'm a very rubbish get to sleeper. Like, I do the thing where you rethink everything you've ever done in your life in your head over and over again, and then you just can't get to sleep. It takes me ages to get to sleep. My partner literally can drop to sleep in like 5 seconds, literally maybe even less than that, whereas me, it takes me like 15 minutes to like half an hour or longer sometimes. So that dream time is in here. Okay, I'm going to do the other product that I know about, that I've tried before, and then there's 2 products in here which are exclusive to this gift set, which I'm going to save for the end because they're the most exciting. This product, adore this as well. We've got an orange body scrub. This stuff is just delish. Oh, it's quite a bit thicker, this one. Nice. This used to be quite, oh, it's still quite sloppy. This is phenomenal. So it's a sea salt scrub, and it literally just smells like a tall glass of chilled orange juice. It's scrumptious. This and Posh Chocolate, I'm sure you guys might know the hack by now, but if you use this with Posh Chocolate, you get a Terry's chocolate orange vibe. It's pretty nice. Oh, I love this so much. This is like me to a T, this little set. Love it, love it, love it. The front of it says, let's get zesty. This naturally illuminating sea salt scrub is packed with vitamin C rich orange and uplifting essential oils. Love, love, love. Oh, I forgot to say, we've got a little card here that says the loose items. Then we've got another 10% off card. I think I forgot to take one of these in last time I went, which was really irritating, but hopefully I'll put that in my purse so I remember to take it in next time. Right, so loose items are exclusive to this set. The first one we've got is the Inspiration Bath Bomb. Looks like that. Purple and blue. These colours are dreamy together. I like those a lot. What scent is this? Oh, sorry if you just heard a funny noise. It wasn't my bum. It's my foot on the chair. Are these 2 different scents on each side? Potentially. Let's have a look at the ingredients, shall we? Because, yeah, we've got in here lemon. Oh, I think it's baked Alaska. Is one bit of it baked Alaska? Lemon myrtle, lemongrass oil, perfumes and such. I'll have to confirm around here what scent that is, but that is very, it's citrusy, and then it's got like a little bit of a herbaceous kick to it. Is it baked Alaska? This is what's really annoying about my camera being broken, because my phone is there, so I can't even Google it now. So I have to guess. I think it's 2 different scents, but I think one of them might be baked Alaska. Very delish though. It's very strong and it's a very pungent scent. That's going to be wonderful in the bath. The colours of this are going to be fab, I think. I can't wait to try it. I have had my bath this evening, so I can't use it tonight, but hopefully I can use it. Maybe I'll save it for my birthday. That'd be fun, yeah. Because that day I know that Barry, like, he's just going to have to do what I want. So he can have the baby for the whole evening and I will just lay in the bath like a princess. It's going to be wonderful. Oh, I love a massage bar. The last product is a massage bar. So it says Inspiration on the front. What's it called inside? Lush Spa. Okay, so I think this is this what they use for, oh god, I just made that noise again, I'm sorry. Is this what they use for the synesthesia spa treatment? Spoiler guys, I am actually going for a synesthesia spa treatment soon. I think it's the following, oh my god, it's next weekend. Yeah, I'm going to go for one. I'm going to take you guys along with me, which is going to be exciting, so I'm going to film. But yeah, I am going for that. Is that what this is? Because I think that piece of paper might be to write like an affirmation down, and then these words correlate, I think, with the synesthesia spa treatment. Is there any more information on here? I don't really know what's going on. Oh right, okay. So this little thing says, immerse your senses in and transform your mind with fucking hell, Charlie. Try again. Immerse your senses and transform your mind with 4 indulgent products featured in our spa treatments that will leave you feeling your best self. I'm gonna Google this after I finish this video and I'll pop it around here. I assume you write down your little affirmation on the little piece of paper and then pop it back in the box. I don't know. Either way, it looks very fun. So, oh, this is literally the best gift set ever. Thank you so much, Molly. You're an absolute angel. That is precious. This box, I just can't get over it. Too freaking cute, man. That's a beautiful box as well, isn't it? Colour-wise and everything. Yes, this must be to do with synesthesia because it's a very colourful box. Am I looking way too much into this, or am I right? I don't know. So that's my little present from Molly. Oh, I just love it. And that's made me really, very happy. Thank you again. I'm so grateful. So yeah, my birthday on Monday, 31. God. I honestly, I told myself I wouldn't be one of those people that hates getting old, but I hate getting old. I hate it. Like, seeing wrinkles form and stuff just is not fun, is it? Like, I haven't had any Botox or anything yet. I think I might just wait till I get like real haggard. I don't know. I want Kris Jenner's facelift is what I want when I'm older. Her face looks blooming amazing. Right guys, I hope you enjoyed that little unboxing. I had a lot of fun. I hope you all have a fantastic week and I will see you all very soon. Love you, bye.